in a world filled with wickedness, where people laughed at right and chased only pleasure, one man stood apart: Noah. He walked with God. He listened when others ignored. He obeyed when no one else believed. And then God spoke. "Make thee an ark of gopher wood. For behold, I will bring a flood." While the world mocked, Noah built. Hammer by hammer, plank by plank. Obedience in action. His sons helped. His wife stood beside him. And the animals, 2 by 2, came as if heaven had whispered. And the sky darkened. The door closed. And the rains began to fall. For 40 days and 40 nights, the earth groaned beneath the waters. Mountains disappeared. But inside the ark there was peace, because God was with them. Then a dove flew, and when it returned, it carried a branch of hope. Finally, the ark came to rest. Dry ground. A new beginning. And high above, a rainbow stretched across the sky. I do set my bow in the cloud. A covenant between me and the earth. Even now, when storms rage in our lives, we remember God keeps His promises. He remembers the faithful. And just like Noah, we can choose to obey, even when no one else does. Because one rainbow changed everything. Please subscribe. It means a lot for our channel. Please like. It means a lot for our channel. Please comment. It means a lot for our channel. Please subscribe. There went in 2 and 2 unto Noah into the ark, the male and the female, as God had commanded Noah. Genesis chapter 7, verse 9.